tunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwine nsungma de nani yembiri yau kuma ina makumalonde kulu yete kulu yema ni kulu fonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba keba kumbolaka wafinka mfundi keba wafinka mfundi imba na lamba mwamba lamba super keba na tombola keba wafinka mfundi wafinka ja kumbobola ja kumbobola budia toma bongo mufinga mfundi anantaku zungulukata kumambende oni samucha otubele otukala ambe zungulukata kumambende oni samucha otubele otukala wacha bari naikogele walamba mwamba lamba ntoba seba watombolaka seba wafinga mfundi seba wafinga mfundi imba na lamba mwamba lamba supwe seba na tombolaka seba wafinga mfundi seba wafinga mfundi imba tomola tonda kundiri mwamba o Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinya ja nsungma desiberi agana ni yembiri yau kuma ina makumalonde kulu yete kulu yema ni kulu fonda mwana fonda na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba keba na tombolaka keba wafinga mfundi keba wafinga mfundi imba na lamba mwamba lamba super keba na tombolaka keba wafinga mfundi keba wafinga mfundi imba tomola tonda kundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya ya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye attack Deba Pula Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele sadila ntangu atiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu tangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala umateri agana ni yembiri kiao na yembiri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba na tumbulaka wafinka mfundi wafinka mfundi mwamba lamba supwe na tumbulaka wafinka mfundi bimba Hambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi la njila 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 Chimao chinenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Rana bandu butabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisisansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako Mwanangele kwa mye Sima unwini menga Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa mye Sima unwini menga Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Munsongi la njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbu shitani ya itatu mansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando Chimao kwanye Chima unwini mega Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa mye Sima unwini mega Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Najika Nayebesa Nalwika Kabutabako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi la njila 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 Mwanangele kwa mye Spini menga Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa mye Sima unwini menga Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Malabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa mye Eti maulini menga balabakubobo balabakubobo balabakubobo. Nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nikota njecha nimbalongo ni mama lemba nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba gana nitekela mwa mamba nchi wala wala Nini tomba mama lemba tena lamba mwana yake tamuzuna ni tamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana wanla mama lembe mama ngana nzila tolokolo yako mama Chiwalla Nzadiambu kayele menena ngande kusomamba Diambu dikaye menena ngande kusomamba ni diambu jantoto Ubungu ntoto we ngande kusomamba we na chototo na lubutu Diambu ni dio kaye menena ngande kusomamba Mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu unwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele ukelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu Teko china che bonso kengo Mukendo ebuta zolota Ni mwando fiafieti Mboko nkelo wa malemba C'est une petite source Qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes Talati nkelo wa malemba ni woga nakadzunu kubishimba mu Eka bo beto bansoni chitaba mori anchi wowanla Wayemene na gande kosonkelo Ni wagana mbutu jina Ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu Momega na chibelo china
Jambo Kikongo County.
How's my mic? Can you hear me?
Gambote.
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, Campbell, tell me again. Is my mic okay? Last time it was
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
two tone delay. That was yesterday. England, yes. Connection. Two tone delay. Let me just say hello to her. Okay. Welcome, Gizambote. Welcome. This is the Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Sorry, Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. Tuto Ndele. Let me just go back to. Can I just test you for 1 minute before I display my file? Thank you very much, sister. Where's our brother? Where's our brother?
He's coming.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, Tuto Ndele. Ame Aku. Oh, it's here. Thank you. Ame Aku. Ame Aku. Who can help me? Ame Aku.
Andy Etueno
Ame,
Awi.
sister, can you carry on? Ame Aku. Andy.
Um,
Andy, yes, Andy. Andy.
Hold on. Ame Aku Andy Eto Eno Awu.
Yeah, well done, well done, yeah. This is a song, you know. Going back, you remember our motto, little but mustard, yes? Bear with me, we'll be going back to, I think this is here. Where's the, we lost him. Okay, let me just go back to our file. Yes. Can you all see my screen, Tata David?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
good. Tata Ali, you're on mute. Tata Ali.
Oh, you're on mute,
Tata
Dre.
Ali. Tata Ali.
Can you guys hear me?
I
You
can
can see
hear
me?
you,
Yep.
but
And
barely.
Oh,
I can hear you.
Tutondele. Okay. Oh. Tata Ali, can you hear me?
yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, you're fine. You're good. Yeah. Tutondele. Thank you
Kitondele.
very much. Thank you very much for your time. It is Sunday, but remember, I always say we need to honor our ancestors. Yes. We need to honor them. Yes. They built pyramids, you know? Yes. Okay. We're going back to, just revision, going back. Ame Aku, recap. Ame Aku, and it is the main, we call it suffixes, but not necessarily correct in terms of linguistic term, but you know what we're trying to say. Because the same thing we use here when we use an emphatic, possessive, yes? The key word here on possessive is, who can tell me what's happened to this one? What is the definition? What we're using KY here. K, yes. Totally over to you. Why are you using KY? I mean, the definition of possessive.
Follows the verb.
The prefix, the prefix. Where does it come from? Prefix.
Or the
Suffix is ame,
Uh,
aku, still there, but prefix changes according to.
the object.
Well done. Hey, who said that? Well
I did.
done. Tata audio on mute. Tata audio. I can't hear. Tata audio on mute.
uh,
Object,
yes.
yes. According to objects. Here, in this case, we have kiame. We have kiame because our object is kima. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to juggle here. I'm using. Let me try to write here. Give me 1 minute. Uh, Kima. Disa, Nzimbu. Disa, Diam. Disa. And sorry, bear with me 1 minute. I'm trying to display something. Yes. Should be okay now. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
The objects, yes?
Kima, Disa, Nzimbu. Yeah.
Yes, well done. So, remember, this is, let me just try to change my point. Can you see Kiame? Because our object is Kima. So your first letter of your object, it is your prefix. Yes? When it comes to possessive. Are you okay, sister?
I don't know what does Kima mean.
Kima object. Kima by coincidence object, yes. Kima, the word means Kima. Disa, corn, Zimbu, money. Yes.
So Kima means what?
Object, things, objects.
Okay, and Disa means what?
Corn.
As in CON or
Or corn, I think.
CORN, yes.
oh, corn.
Prefix.
And Zimbu means what?
Money.
Money, yes.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yes. So,
But your sound keeps fading a little on us,
my sound.
Tatam Panzu. So I didn't hear what Kima means. I know Sister asked me, but
Is it better now?
now, yes.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah? I'm okay? Is it
Yes.
fading?
Yes.
It's fine. Is it fine?
Yes. I can hear you well.
Tata Dev, yes? Okay?
Yeah, still a little faded, but so
Sorry.
I'm sorry. What does Kima mean again?
One minute, Tata Dev. Kima means number. Kima means objects, things. Yes? Tata Dev, yes?
Object?
Yeah,
object or things.
Okay.
Is it better now, my mic?
It seems louder now, yes.
Yeah.
Hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes.
Okay. Is it too loud, no?
No, we can always turn the volume down.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let me just totally on mute. Totally, I can't hear you. Totally.
I'm outside, so I'm gonna mute on and off.
Oh yeah, see. Okay, understand. Yes. Tata David. What was the question? Let me just start to.
Oh, you answered. I was asking because I couldn't hear your explanation of what Kima meant earlier, but now I've got it. Object or thing.
Good. Yeah. Yes. So, possessive. Remember, ame is already akuandi. The suffix are already there. Emphatic, we're using suffixes. Possessive, we use suffixes. That's how yes. Are you okay? Yes.
Yes.
As suffixes, you remember, ame aku are there. We're using here on emphatic, on possessive, we're using same thing. Ame aku the suffix and so on. But when it comes to possessive, prefix, it is object. Let's say what do you have on
of the Kima, right?
Yeah, we're using kiame because of kima, yes. But if your object were disa, what would you say? That what would
Diami,
Bravo,
Diaku.
yes, bravo, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Disa diame, my con, yes?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure Tata you're fine, yes? Yeah.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah. Sister Candace, yes? Are we clear on that?
I think so.
You are. See, Kima, the one you have on a screen, Kiame, the Kai Y, I can understand. Kai, some people use Y instead of I, so on. I mean, you interchangeable, yes? It's the same thing. You can use
Mhm.
either KI or KY.
Okay.
Mm.
So that part I
Okay.
understand. The only question is for Kima, would you say Kima Kiami or just
Yeah,
Kiami?
you're right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's correct. Yes, that's what you see on the screen. Kiame, Kima Kiame. Yes,
Okay.
Disa. Then sister, follow the same logics. Disa,
Disa Diami.
bravo.
Diaku
Yeah,
Diandi.
yeah, bravo. Yeah. Oh, I'm happy you got it. Yes, that's good. In case of Nzimbu exception, your first letter it is not. It's there just for your nasal. Your first letter in Z. Yes. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
We use Nzimbuzame.
Zimbuzami.
Zimbu Zombie.
Nzimbuzame, yes. You got mini
Zimbuzami.
yes? It's
Mm-hmm.
yours. Yeah, Nzimbuzame. Yes. Okay. Tata Kwasi, are you there? On mute. Okay, I'm happy. We are fine on this one. Yeah? We're okay. Let me just try to think. I mean, you understand that your possessive, your prefix depends on your object. That's the definition. Can I move to can I move? Yes. Next slide. Yes.
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 Yes. This is you are all okay on this one, I'm sure. Let me just try to highlight Kiko. Where is it? Sorry, confusing me. Yes. Remember, main things here is double negative. Yeah. Ki and ko. They go together. Yes. Are we clear on that? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Our verb is
Yes.
in the middle. Yes. Kiko. Okay. We are going to use Lendi comes before the verb and emphatic after the verb. Yes, remember? Lendi before the verb. Lendi comes from lenda. Mm. I can't come. Mm. Can't is your Lendi.
Mm-hmm.
I can't go at all. That's how we.
Um.
I can't go at all. Kilendi, yeah?
Kilindi Quinda. Ko.
Good. Good, but you're emphatic after the verb.
Um. Wait, I thought I said it.
Kilendi kwenda.
Kilinda Quinda Ko.
That's correct, but we need to use the one to the emphatic. It comes after your verb. Sister?
Kilindi Quinda Kwamiko.
Bravo, she's good on that.
I didn't
So
see the Kwame.
you're beaten, see, brother. Yeah, yeah. Los Angeles Derby, yes. Kilendi kwenda kwamiko. Okay, can I move next slide? Any question on this one? Let me just try to highlight something here. I keep saying little but mastered. We are just focusing on something that's simple, easy to understand. Kikongo is not easy to teach, yeah, to
No.
learn. For the native, I mean, someone in Africa, Congo area, easy, but not easy to teach someone does not live there. If you were not born in Congo area, never heard Kikongo, very hard to learn.
Yeah,
And
because of the culture.
yes, and the way Kikongo is a teller, I mean, I'm doing my best to try to simplify. Yesterday, I was asking, guess what? Academics, just asking him to help me. How do you say to be past tense? He told me, oh, sorry, go and ask another. Can you imagine? Past tense. I'm not joking. I can send you the message. That's why. Don't worry about high level. You're doing well. Okay. Kiko. Kikwendako. You talking to Sister Candace over the phone. Oh, sister, you want to be a secret message? Kikwizako. Oh, okay. Sorry, no longer secret because online everybody's watching. Kikwizako. Okay. Any question on this one? Remember your personal pronouns. Yeah, these are ki, ku, ka, katu. Yes, totally. Yes. Yeah. Plural is easy to lose. We're using ka here because it's negative. Negative, yes.
Yeah.
Here the I is I for ki as double negative. At the same time, I for your first person singular. Ku, ku, ko, yeah, double negative, but the U plays two roles. Is there for you, ku, at the same time as personal pronoun. Is it clear on this one, sister? Are you clear?
I think so.
Yeah, you are. I'm sure you are. When I say Kiko, I mean double negative.
Right.
Mhm.
So key is in the beginning, ko is at the end.
Yes, but at the same time, because you use the verb, where's your pronoun? Because I'm saying Kikwenda ko, I'm not going. Where's I in English? Is there, still there. This I, it is Ki, ki.
Or
At the
K
same,
KI or KY, right?
no. I'm trying to
Yes,
say,
it is.
I'm trying to, I just wanted to understand that the I is Ki as key. At the same time, I is your personal pronoun. The verb is here. Ask yourself, where's your personal pronoun? It's still there. Is it clear, Tata? David?
Yeah, it's
Mhm.
clear.
How would you simplify that, Tata David, to help us? I mean, in terms of explanation, how do you make it easy for us to understand, people to understand?
Well, it's basically. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Tata David. I'm sorry.
Tata David?
No, it's fine because I don't. I can't think of a simpler way to explain it than you just did.
What I was going to add was so you have so there's ki plus another I, and those two I's
Okay.
combined to just because you have a two of the same letters following each other.
Okay, good.
It
Basically,
can
Tata, if I understood correctly, Tata Allen is saying we have a double I here, but we don't write, we just leave it, it's hidden. Yeah, we have a key and another I. Another I for your personal pronoun. It's not,
yes. So that
not
extra
written.
I, like, right, mono, which is I, like in the English language I, or if it's cool, it's like ku plus an additional u, and then
Mm-hmm.
that is ngay, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then ka is ka plus the hidden a, and then that hidden a is stands for andi.
Oh, good. Okay. I
Am
understand.
I
Okay.
saying that correctly, or am I not saying it correctly?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, let me just move to the next one.
Okay,
Thank you, Tata Allen.
that's how I've written my notes.
Yeah, good. As long as you understand, it's no worry. Okay, this one. Okay, we need to hang a bit here. Remember your object first, then your pronoun, then your verb. The verb is last thing. We use a ku when we are talking about the location. Yes. The first ku only when we're using location, referring to location. But apart from that, I mean, except location, we go straight to the object. Then personal pronoun, then a verb. That yes, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going home. Yes, home is there. See, your object is here.
I'm going.
In this case, because it's a location, you're going to use your ku, yeah, ku. The first thing you do, yeah, go for ku. Nzo, nzo is your house. It's house. Nzo is house. Yes, your object.
So is that
Kunzo,
cool?
kunzo.
Wait, where you at? Would that be cool? Quinda, Ekta.
Kunzo. The first thing you ku, then comes your nzo.
Oh, okay.
Your object, yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Nzo.
Enzo. Quinda,
Kunzo ita kwenda. Kunzo ita
Enta
kwenda.
Quinda.
Kunzo ita kwenda. Yeah. Remember, brother, you don't need to use. You read n. N is there for your nasal. Kunzo. That's what I'm saying. Nzo. Because n, you don't read n. You don't read n in zo. No. The nasal comes from the n. Yes.
So cool. Zo. Oh man, I keep getting this mixed up. Cool. Zo.
Ita
Quinda.
Well done. Yes. Yes. I'm coming from home, sister. Cool first. Yes.
Okay. Kuzo itatuka.
Correct. Yes. Kunzo itatuka. Yes. You use ku. Let me just repeat myself. You use ku when you talk about location. Yes. Apart from that,
so you could say kunazo itatuka.
Yes,
right?
correct. Kunzo itatuka. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Sister, over to you, third person. She's coming from home. Yes.
Okay. Tuzo katatuka.
Well done, Kunzo. Yes, Kunzo. Yes. Remember, only use ku when you're talking about location. I'm drinking water. Tata Allen.
Sorry, I had to unmute myself. Okay, I'm drinking water.
Yes, I'm drinking water.
You guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Maza Ita Noir.
Correct, yes. She's drinking water. She's drinking water. She's drinking water.
Is that for me? Oh.
Tatan again. Over to you, Tatan, please.
Okay, Maza Kata Noir.
Correct. Tutondele. I'm waiting for my mom. Tata Audrey.
Two Goody Bingila Ita Bingila.
Yes, well done. Ngudi Ame, my mom. Yes, Ngudi Ame. Remember Ame?
Yes.
That's why I keep saying Ame, Aku, Andy. Very important to remember those suffixes.
Wait, so on that one, it's Gudiami Kata Vingila?
Third person, yes. Third person. First, yeah, you're right. Correct.
Okay.
Sorry, third person said. First person ita vingla. Yes. Ngudiame
Okay,
ita
so it's
vingla.
not. It is Gudiyami or it's not? Because if it's a third.
Ngudiame. Yes. My mom. Ame. Remember Ame? Ame mine. Yes. Ame.
So
Yes.
that should be the first person, not the third person, right?
Ngudiame. I'm waiting for my mom. Ngudiame ita vingila. Yes. Ita vingila.
But didn't he say Gudiyami Kata Vingili?
See, you're in trouble, brother Audrey. Yeah? Say it again,
So
please.
I thought he
No, you.
said Gudiyami Kata Vingila. Or maybe he didn't say that, but I thought that's what he said. So
She's waiting for my mom. She said, I think she was in that Audrey, yes? Yes.
Yes. The thing is, if I'm studying and I'm just by myself, I'm fine. But when I'm online, you just makes me nervous. So that's what throws me off.
You're fine. No. You're fine.
So I thought the third person would be Gudi Yandi Kata Vingila. Or not.
Yeah, bravo. Well done.
Okay.
Yes. No,
I'm
you're
just
right.
making sure I'm not confused.
No. Perfect. Yeah,
Okay.
Tata Audrey. See, you're in trouble. Yes. Yeah, you confuse the sister. Okay, let me just go back. She's waiting for her mom, or he's waiting for his mom. Then sister, go ahead. Yeah, you're right. Go ahead. She's waiting for her mom.
Okay.
You said it just go back, Yandi, yeah? Ngudi Andi, yeah?
Ngudi Andi Utu
Kata,
Vingila.
Kata.
Oh, it's Kata. I'm sorry.
Ngudi and Kata Vingila.
Ngudi Andi Kata Vingila.
Yes. Well done. Yeah. See, you know that, sister. I knew that someone's confusing you is there behind you, near you. Okay, let's go. Tata Dave, over to you.
Okay.
Thank you, my sister. I'm speaking Kwanyama. Kwanyama is one of our languages in Angola. Object first, remember?
Okay. Speaking. You see that.
Kwanyama, yeah, Kwanyama.
Oh, I see it there.
Kwanyama, yes. Objects, yes, please.
Kwanyama Itaboba.
Correct, yes. Well done. We are speaking Umbundu, one of our languages in Angola. We are speaking Umbundu.
Okay. Umbundu Tutavova.
Sorry?
Umbundu Tutavova.
Correct, yes. I'm happy we have fun. Any question on this one? That's how it is, yeah? Got a question?
No, I'm just looking at my notes.
Yeah, well done, sister. Doing well, see?
Thank you.
Yeah. I knew that when it comes to Los Angeles Derby, I know who is the winner. It's always the winner. Okay. This present tense, yes. Same principle applies. Object first, your pronoun second. And try to memorize that. Just remember that object first, then your pronoun. Oh, Kambote Tata Kwasi. Tata Kwasi, are you there? Okay. Let us wait. Okay, object first, followed by your personal pronoun, Tata Audrey, yes?
Yeah, I was trying to find the notes here.
This your first, object first, yes? Object first, personal pronoun second.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Then the last thing, your verb.
Okay.
See this? You live in Banza, Congo. You live in Banza, Congo. Whenever we talk about location, the first thing is KU. Cool, yes.
Yeah, I'm just
You lost your paper.
okay. The letters is kind of small.
Oh, no worries. Let me just go to sister. I live in Banza, Congo. Remember KU, cool. Then object.
Okay.
Yes.
Ku Mbanza Congo. Izinganga.
Izinganga. Izinganga. Yes.
Izinganga.
Yes. Present tense. Remember your infinitives here. You just add nga at the end. Yes. Zinganga, yimbilanga, dianga, nwanga. Yes.
So I'm just saying Ku Mbanza Congo Zinganga.
Correct. Izinganga. Right. Yes. Well done. Yeah.
Izinganga. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Wait for my mom every morning. Console Suka. Tata David, please. English. Kikongo, sorry.
Okay.
Your object first.
Right.
Mom is there.
Yeah. Ngudi.
Ngudi ame, yes. Ame. Ngudi ame. My mom.
Ngudi ame. In Bingilanga.
Well done. Yes. Basically, in Congo, when we say Ngudi ame, when we mean literally, it literally means mother mine. Yes. This is Kikongo. Tata, yes. How you doing, Tata? Yes.
I'm listening. I'm here.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. I'm just want to introduce something new before. Are we following this one? This thing to remember here is your object first, then the verb. When it comes to present tense, just add the nga at the end. Yes. Oh, that question.
I think he said he's having trouble with his computer. I think he put that in the chat.
Did you? Oh, sorry.
Yeah. First time using that one.
Okay. Tutondele. Tuyangalele. Let me just settle. Where am I? Oh, okay. I'm trying to. I think there's an issue with my computer. Let me try to remove this. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to learn about the verb to be, but make it easy. First, present tense. The past is very hard. Can you imagine? Verb to be and to have in any language should be easy to learn, but in Kikongo, the past is not easy. They're not.
Okay.
We're talking about the linguists, yeah? I did my advisor. I took some doctor. Okay. No, he knows what to talk about, but he didn't want to make a mistake, you know. But even so, it's not that good. It's not sound good. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'm sharing my file. Did you watch the coronation that early?
Oh no, I didn't.
You didn't?
No, I didn't see it.
You're a Republican then. You don't like monarchy.
No, I just wasn't at home at the moment. At the time.
Okay. Let me just make it big. Yes. Fasten your seatbelt, please. This is present tense. Verb to be. Kala. Kala. David, can you pronounce kala? Kala.
Sure. Kala.
Thank you. Kala. To be. Kala.
Kala.
Kala. Yes. Kala. To be. To be. Let me just try to use my pointer. To be. Kala. To be. Here, please. Fasten your seatbelt. Personal pronoun is in irregular form. Yes. Ngina, but there's something that is standard. I, at least, give us a hint about the first personal pronoun, the first singular. Plural is fine. There's no change. Tulu, be, or in this case, we stick to be. Yeah. Tulu, be. Are we fine on the second plural in terms of standard? Yes. Tulu, be, or ba. Yeah, sister. Yes.
I think so.
Yeah, the personal pronoun plural is easy. Tulu, be, or ba. But first, singulars is not easy. In this case, we have ngi, ngina, I am. Can you? Ngina ma vimpi. Remember, tunama vimpi. Yes, we are. Yes. Can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes.
When you say tunama vimpi, we are. Tunama vimpi. Tunama vimpi. Benama vimp, they are. Question.
I don't know how to spell the whole phrase that you're saying. I don't see it unless I'm just not seeing it. I don't see it on here. Because tuna is we are. But you said another word after that I don't see on the sheet.
Oh, yeah. Mavimpi isn't on the sheet. No, that's true.
No, just a greeting. It's just a greeting. Sorry, sister, confuse me. Let's just stick to this one. Ngina, I am, yes? Can you see that?
Ngina.
I am, yes. Wuna, you are, yes?
Wuna.
Wuna, kena. Let's stick with kena for the first plural. Kena, yes?
Kena.
Tuna, yes? Tuna, luna, bena.
Bena.
Yes. Ngina mavimpi, I'm fine. Wuna mavimpi, you are fine. You. Tuna mavimpi. Remember my question. Luna mavimpi, I always ask, greeting. Luna mavimpi, are you well? Luna, you, many. Then you say tuna mavimpi.
Yes? How do you spell that?
Mavimpi.
Yeah. Because I don't.
Okay. Let me just try to write down here. Mavimpi.
Back in a second.
No worries. Mavimpi, see it.
Okay.
Mavimpi, health. Yes. Vimpi is the health. Vimpi, the word vimpi.
Vimpi.
Quote and quote many health.
Okay.
That's a David question.
No, it's just a matter of learning these singular prefixes, since the plural ones are ones we're already used to.
Yeah, plural, there's no change.
Yeah.
Plural is standard, I mean, fixed. Yes. Ngina, it's I am. Una. I mean, it's not easy. The thing that makes it hard is for non-natives is, see, this is the verb infinitive, yes?
Right.
Yes? Well, when it comes to Ngina, there's no, I mean, visibly, there's no relation. See, can you see? Yes? There's no relation, yes. If it were French or Portuguese, when I say where are we? Falad, to speak. Falu, first person. See? But here, Yungina, that are you with me? Can you follow me? Are you following me? Yes?
I'm following.
Yeah, you say Ingina, but there's no relation. I mean, apparently there's no relation, see, in terms of letters. Yes. This is not easy to learn. Sister, any question?
Not so far.
Okay, well done. So, Mbote, well or good. So, Wambote Ngina, I'm fine. Wambote Una, Wambote Kena, Bambote Tuna, Bambote Luna, Bambote Bena.
So when you get to 2, then you're saying Bambote.
When you go to plural, yes, plural, yes.
Bambote,
all the plural, but yes,
tuna.
Bambote, yes. Okay. Sister, you are expert on this, yeah? See the emphatic exception.
I am
not. Sorry. I'm joking. You're doing well now. No, see here. Emphatic normal is what's the rule? After the verb, yes? Yes. Am I right? Yes. Emphatic is after the verb, but here is before the verb. I'm fine. Wambote ngina, I'm well. I'm really well. Wambote kwa mengina. Questions.
Okay.
No question. I see you put that. Is this the only exception, or are there other exceptions?
I can't think of other. But in terms of basic verbs, this is the exception. Wambote kwa mengina. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Wambote kwa kuna. Wambote kwandi kena. Remember kena? Can you see kena?
Wow. Yeah, I got it. I really gotta study this.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I see it. I'm looking at the plural where it goes, it changes to Wambote, and then you follow that. Yeah.
So for the first person plural, it would be Bambote ito tuna.
Bambote kwete tuna, yeah. Bambote kwete tuna, yes. Bambote kwete.
Bambote kweto tuna.
Yes.
So how did I get that one wrong? Let's see.
You see that one at the end.
Bambote kwete tuna.
Okay, I see. I was on the wrong line.
Bambote here it gets harder because
Bambote. Wait, you're saying Twambote kweto tuna?
Yes, Bambote tuna, yes. See the TNT, yes? Yes, TNT.
Oh my gosh. So how would we know that though? Because we know eto, queto. I don't know how we would know to switch that to a T, like twambeto, twambete, twambote. Right. How would we know to switch that to a T?
You know that because your first is two. Your first single plural is T. Yes. Yeah.
Right. But up above when we're doing singular, we just kept saying wambote.
Yes, no change.
Then,
yes. Yes.
Okay, so for plural we go twambote, queto, tuna, or lambote, queno, tuna.
Yes. Remember, this W is your U. Huh? You could write the U here. Yes.
A U where?
TU. It's TU. Twambote.
Okay, I see what you mean. Or
the reason we write sorry.
Wambote.
The reason we write W because I mean European people when they try to pronounce instead of reading Twambote they would read Tuambote. See.
Right.
It's a Tuambote. Yeah. But it is your two here. Your
Wambote.
This 2 years is here. This is tua.
Right.
This is two. It's two. This is two.
Okay.
This is lu. It's here. Lu. L-U. But we use W because it's the sound. How it sounds, yes. That's a different question.
No, I'm following.
This is present tense. That's an island question.
No question.
Yeah, we're going back to this now. The thing to remember here is your plural. There's no change of plural. The standard is the same. Remember TU, tuna, yes. Tuna mavimpi, luna mavimpi, pena mavimpi, ngina mavimpi, una mavimpi, yes. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Tutondele.
Well, before you get off with the kala, or how would you say I am that I am then?
You want to translate into Kikongo?
Yeah. How would that be in Guinea? Well, I don't know what the word that. Or would you use kala?
Sorry, brother.
I'm just thinking in biblical terms. How would you say, I am that I am?
Kikongo people, how to translate? You mean I am is here, in Guinea, yeah?
Right.
I am what I am.
So it would be in Guinea, then whatever word in between, and then in Guinea again.
Wo ungina.
Wo ungina.
Wo ungina. It's hard, don't worry, brother. Wo ungina as I am, yeah. I mean that's the closest, yeah. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. You are brave people. See you next Sunday.
Okay. Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Quieto, yangani, kawa uko, iwao. Bongole meso, mwene. Isibudi matu, uidi, ikonzo dienu. Yenon luvo vangabo, Congo diafwa. Yenon luvo vangabo, Congo diafwa. Bizatele kwe.